Welcome, today I'm showing you how to change screen recorder quality into a Samsung Galaxy Tab S8. First of all, open your settings, then into settings find advanced features, and here I need to find screenshots and screen recorder option. And here on the bottom we got screen recorder blocks. So here we got video quality option, and press for example change from medium or low, and for saving this option need to choose, and it's save automatically. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.